so don't test me, nah.
We got it.
Kick. Snare. Maybe some like staccato strings.
Ooh. I was vibing. I mean, get some bars.
Bars.
Ooh.
I love when you just get a sound and it just sounds good straight away.
It just works.
We will take it.
I'm one of them as well. My head keeps bobbing, like, even though the music's stopped, I can still hear it.
Me too.
Hey.
I think the kick just needs to be super minimal, doesn't it? Like, something like that.
Heavy.
How's the lyrics coming along? Have we got any ideas?
That's heavy, bro.
Nice one, man.
Got a little 4-bar in there.
I don't think the people realise what they're about to witness, do they? I can see them ideas bouncing around in your head, man. 2 more minutes and then we'll get some vocals down. Boom. All right, well, that's the beat kind of rough put together now. What do you reckon, man?
Smashed it, bro. You
Yeah?
smashed that. You smashed it, bro.
All right, well, now we're going to get some lyrics put down. Trix has been jotting down some ideas, and then now we've got a few little things to freestyle off.
Start recording.
See what happens. Let's do this.
Just a little bit. Hey, yo. When it drops, it gets a bit louder, that's all. Yeah, that sound.
Hear your vocals, all right?
Yes. Mic check 1, 2.
Give me a quick run for it so we can get the levels right.
Hey. Hey, yo. Look. They wouldn't let me, now man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing right, but I might go lefty. I made plus with it, so don't test me, nah. Hey. And again? I feel like doing, yeah? Instead of the now man's gal, just man's gal wanna come on, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
so it's a little bit more easy to hear.
Simpler the better, isn't it?
Yeah, right, yeah. Hey, yo, they wouldn't let me. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Yep, I got a little 4-liner, and then obviously the last line of the 4 lines ends with test me. So
that'll be the name of the track.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll just put this down and then we're going to work like a second hook off that. So let's just jump into it then. Should we just go for it?
Yeah, let's go. Gotta get this right
So I'm
tonight.
talking about though, every time we've got Trix in the studio, it comes with the pure fire. Let's go.
Fire.
But
Hey. Yo, they wouldn't let me. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I made plus with it, so don't test me. They wouldn't let me. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I made plus with it, so don't test me. Nah.
perfect. All right, that'll do for me. Is that all right for you?
Yeah. Fire.
Should we get some ad-libs on that?
Yeah.
3, 4.
They wouldn't let me. Nah. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I made plus with it, so don't test me. They wouldn't let me. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I made plus with it, so don't test me. Nah.
Perfect. And then, do you want to just get that don't test me after it as well, so we can put it in a demon sound?
Yeah. Yo. They wouldn't let me. Nah. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I made plus with it, so don't test me. Don't test me. They wouldn't let me. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I made plus with it, so don't test me. Nah. Don't test me.
Yeah. All right, then we'll put that in a demon voice.
Let's pitch it down a couple of times.
Me. They wouldn't let me. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I made plus with it, so don't test me. Nah.
Vibes in, we're vibes in right now.
Absolutely mean that, mate. So yeah, so we're going freestyle, just like a rough second.
Just line for line, I think.
So don't test me. Don't test me. You don't impress me. Hey,
Like that.
you don't impress me. So don't test me, nah.
We got it.
No contest.
Something like that. Something random.
Something we can put in the intro that as well, I think.
Fire.
We got a hit already.
Fire.
All right, we're gonna be millionaires. Nice.
You done know. You don't impress me. So don't test me, nah.
Don't test me.
You don't impress me. Hey. So don't test me, nah.
Don't test me.
Yo, they wouldn't let me. Nah. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I make plus with it, so don't test me.
Don't test me.
They wouldn't let me. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I make plus with it, so don't test me. Nah.
Don't test me.
You don't impress me. So don't test me. Nah.
Don't test me.
You don't impress me. So don't test me. Nah.
Don't test me.
Wicked.
Yeah, man.
All right, nice.
don't
Smashed it.
impress me.
Fire.
I can't believe how quick that came together. So that's how you put a hook down
Trust me.
and a second hook down.
You don't
And
impress me.
now we're going to go through it and mix it and then probably get a verse on it at some point.
Don't test me.
Well, that's the main kind of basics of
You
the
don't
track down.
impress me.
Yep.
Anything else to add to
Don't
that?
test me.
No, just it was pretty easy, and
Don't test
you
me.
know,
You're witnessing a pro.
don't
way it's
impress
magic.
me.
It's not on my own, bro. It's
Don't test me.
you know,
Nah.
team effort.
Don't test me. Test me.
Magic.
Yeah, boy.
don't
All right,
impress
wicked.
me.
So thanks so much for joining us,
Don't
guys,
test me.
and
Nah.
peace.
Don't test me.
I think that'll do.
You don't impress me. So don't test me, nah.
Don't test me. Test me. Test me.
Yo, they wouldn't let me. Nah. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I make plus with it, so don't test me.
Don't test me.
They wouldn't let me. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with a right, but I might go lefty. I make plus with it, so don't test me, nah.
Don't test me.
You don't impress me. So don't test me, nah.
Don't test me.
You don't impress me. So don't test me, nah.
Don't test me.